Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ArtByHarsh, a heaven for artistic souls. Join me in today's landscape masterpiece. Let's get started on this visual journey. Thank you for joining our creative expedition through breathtaking landscapes. Your imagination is the canvas. Now it's your turn. Comments below with your favorite scene or share your artistic vision inspired by nature. Let's build a community of creative together. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know which painting you would like to see next. Until next time, keep creating.